Hello, today we are doing topic 15-3, which is finding the perimeter of a shape. Now perimeter, if we were to break that word down, the P-E-R-I in perimeter stands for around, and the M-E-T-E-R in perimeter stands for measure. So perimeter stands for measuring the distance around. Now for number one here, if you look at this shape, all of the sides of the shape are different lengths. So what we're going to have to do on this one is we're just going to have to measure. By the way, this is the reteach side. So we're gonna go ahead and write them down. This side is 8 centimeters, so we're going to write down 8. This side is 5 centimeters, so we're going to write down 5. Then we have 6. Then we have 3. We have 2. And we have another 8. And in order to find the perimeter, you have to add all of those sides up. So 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 6 is 19. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So the perimeter around this shape right here is 32 centimeters. Okay. Now if we look at number 2 here, number 2 is going to be a little bit different because number 2 is what we call a quadrilateral. If you look up here, we have some equations that we can use. The perimeters, P, equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. The reason why we can use this equation is because both of these lengths are the same. Both of these widths are the same. So what we can do is we can multiply those lengths by 2 and those widths by 2 and then just add them together. Now we could do it that way, or we could just add all the sides up. Either one's going to give you the same answer. So I'm going to do this both ways. Okay, first of all, I'm just going to add them all up. So I've got 7 plus 4 plus 4. Now again, there's no right or wrong way to do this. You'll get the right answer either way. But 7 plus 7 is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 meters. Now that's the first way to do it. The other way to do it is to use this equation where we do 2 times the length plus 2 times the width. So our length here is 4. So 4 times 2, because we have 2 of them here, so 4 times 2 plus 7 times 2, because we have 2 7s. So again, if we do this, 4 times 2 equals 8, and 7 times 2 equals 14. So 8 plus 14 is also going to equal 22 meters. Again, both of these strategies will give you the correct answer. It's whichever one you feel the most comfortable with. Now I'm just going to do a couple more here, and then I'm going to turn you loose to do the practice side. So for this one, we cannot use the equation. For number 3, we cannot use the equation length times 2 plus width times 2 that we just did on number 2. And the reason why is it's a triangle. We only have 3 sides, and they're all different lengths. So the only way to solve this one is to add up each of the sides, and that will give you the perimeter. So 9 plus 7 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. This is 20 centimeters would be your perimeter. Okay. Now on the last one, number 4, this is a perfect square, meaning all the sides are the same length. So this one you can do a couple different ways. You can either add 18 plus 18 plus 18 plus 18, because all 4 of these sides are going to be 18 inches. You can add them all up that way, or since we have 4 sides and each side is 18 inches, we can just multiply it by 4. Personally, I think this is the easiest way to do it. So I'm going to do the multiplying. 8 times 4 is 32. So put your 2, carry your 3, and 4 times 1 is 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have 72 inches as the answer.